Hi, let's talk about two-step equations. Here I have a problem, 2 times 7 plus 2. Now, the order that I do these operations in is going to change the answer I'm going to get. And so we're going to talk today about parentheses. The way I put the parentheses will change the problem. So if I have the parentheses around the 2 plus 7, that means I do this part first. So whatever's in the parentheses, I do first. Or I could put here the parentheses around the 7 plus 2, and then I would do that part first. Let's see how the change in the parentheses changes the problem. So if I do 2 times 7 first, I would get 14. Then I would add 2 to it, and I would end up with 16. If I add 7 and 2 first, I get 9. And then if I multiply that by 2, I get 18. So I get two different answers depending on where I put the parentheses. So whenever you're working on a two-step problem, there are going to be parentheses in it to show you what to do first. This problem up here, I don't yet know the rules for which part to do first. So I have to rely on the parentheses. Now, as a spoiler alert, when you get a little bit farther in your math career, you're going to learn about order of operations. And the order of operations are given like this. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. P stands for parentheses, which is the part of the order of operations that we are focusing on today. E stands for exponents, which you will learn about in the multiplication and division course. M is for multiplication, D is for division. You do these two together, working from left to right, because they are just inverse operations. So you could write multiplication as division, and you could write division as multiplication without changing the problem. So you do those together. And then addition and subtraction, you also do at the same time, working left to right, because they are also inverse operations. So in this problem, 2 times 7 plus 2, according to the order of operations, you would do this part first and then do the adding. But if the parentheses were there, we would do this part first, the 7 plus 2, and then multiply by 2. So that's a lot of information that I just introduced you to. You don't need to worry about, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally right now. I'm just showing you what's to come. For now, always do what's in the parentheses first and then do the rest of the problem. Okay, look at the worksheet you started before watching this video, then put your math away for the night. Tomorrow, look at the review sheet, do the activity, 5 to 10 minutes a night for several nights is going to help you feel really comfortable with this skill. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.